Hello there, beautiful. Are you wondering where to find your next outfit of choice for that beautiful and amazing occasion? Stay tuned and watch.
Hi there, lovely ladies. Thank you so very much. This is very beautiful. You'll find 100 plus new and latest nail designs for ladies. If you're a nail technician or you're soon to be client, of course, to be, we want you to always get a very unique and amazing idea when it comes to your nail look and, of course, finishing. This right here are very creative and amazing ways you can wear your nails. Very lovely and gorgeous nail ideas to inspire you into looking absolutely stunning when it comes to your nail look. You can find very amazing and creative ways to style your nail, very unique designs, very lovely and amazing variations of ways you can wear it anyhow you want it. Very talented and creative ways to style the nail into looking absolutely stunning and stylish. We encourage you to watch the video through the end as you come to find very helpful and amazing styles all through. We hope that this video should be helpful for you, whether as a nail technician or as a client to be. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Check out our nail design playlist after watching this through the end. Don't forget to check out our shorts as well. It will definitely help guide you into finding what you want. We do always want the best choice for you, which is why we always encourage you to watch our videos through the end. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you so very much for subscribing. You're welcome and you take care.
watching this video. Hope you check out the next as well as previous videos. We do really hope you come back for more right here on our channel. You take care and bye.